Hello my dear students of Beacon High School. Today we are going to learn landscape, a scenery. Landscape is a representing a view of natural land scenery. The earth has a vast range of landscape, including mountains, lakes, rivers, gardens, deserts, and many scenic views. It is not only includes the natural landscape but includes the man-made elements like building, house, huts, etc. Landscape can made especially with watercolor, but we can make landscape with pencil colors, poster, and in any medium. So today we will learn how to make a on the spot landscape. Let's start the work. So today we are going to make on the spot scenery landscape. So for that one we have to choose one view from your house, or you have to go outside and select one of the view and we have to make that drawing. So for that one requirement need drawing book, pencil, scale and eraser. So let's start the work. Now see here what I am doing, the view which I got, that I am going to make. So first I am going to start from the center. I will make one line, one box here. This is the view of a city, and then perspective is very important in your landscape. The view will be like this. Whenever you are making a landscape, you have to choose the landscape according to the view. And now from here, this will be the center part of my paper, and here this side all the buildings and shops will come. So for that you can use scale if you want, or you can make it directly. In this way the rough sketch, the line should be very slightly, so that after completing your work you are going to erase that one. This view I have taken from the city which I am doing. Here we are going to make a pencil shading, and after that we will study how to make it in a coloring. In this way we will start the work. You have to keep your eye on the view which you have selected for making a landscape, and then you will make it exact how it is. In this way the rapid sketches will be sketching will be done in your work. So whatever we are seeing there, you have to draw that one in your book. Okay, now after finishing this one, now see here all the both sides I am getting the buildings and the shops like this. Now as I told that I am standing here, okay, the view I am getting from here to here, this is far for me and this will be small for me. Okay, now this will come the footpath. In the city we are seeing the footpath, it will go like the same as a train track. As we are standing near, it will come bigger to us. Then the downside line will come like this. Each and every line you have to draw there as a slight line. Which one is important? You are going to make it dark. Okay, after finishing this one, you are not going to make any detailed work. Now see here, this is a city scene. Obviously here the bikes will come, or the vehicles will come here. You have to show that one. That one also will come in the perspective. The front side will be the small one and the back side will be the bigger one. So in this way, whatever view you are seeing, you are going to make as it is. So the same way we will go here. So our drawing, our landscape will look as a live one. In this way, no detailed work I said, just the strokes we are going to go. Here we can show one two-wheeler. In this way, a simple strokes we will give. So in this way we are going to show the vehicles also and the center of the road. Okay, as you are seeing the view, you are going to through that one. After that one, you are going to make it little darker, the lines which you are getting perfect. Now the main thing in the landscape is that light and shade. You have to show the light and shade. Now we are doing a pencil shading, so from where the sun is getting, you have to show the light part there and the darker part. That is very, very important in landscape and still life. Now as the sun is getting from here in the center, so the lighter part will come this side and the darker part. The main thing, when you are going to complete the shading, you have to go through as I am showing you. Wherever it is dark, you have to go dark. Wherever it is light, you have to go light. The three tones are very, very, very important in our work. In each work. In this way, wherever it is dark, you are going to give dark, and wherever it is going to be a light, you are going to shade it light. So the likeness of the work will be seen here. In this way we are going to complete our shading. Now see here, as this one is a city scene, you can show the figures, but it is not compulsory. You have to show the detail of that one. Just you can do the outline in this way. Just we need the figures here, because as this one is a city scene, you have to see you have to show the crowd here. So you can make how you can see there, or you can do by your own in this way. Now see here, as I told that shading is very important in landscape. In each and every work, shading is very, very important. In this way we are going to complete our work, on the spot work. Now after this one, this is the final work which I have done on the spot. After this one, the work which I will show, you have to go through that also, which I have done with the watercolor. Okay. You are going to try with pencil first, with pencil shading. Then after that you are going to go with watercolor, poster color, crayons, pencil color, any medium you can use, and you can make a beautiful landscape. Enjoy it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.